All right, this is a quick video on this FitCam X dash cam, 4K, and it really is 4K. Really nice videos that it produces. But what I love the most about this dashboard camera is it's not on the dashboard, so you don't have to worry about sticky residue taking off the dashboard camera that's using a suction cup or what have you. And here it is. It looks like the original equipment to this car. This is a 24 Camry. The only difference between the original is that this part from here to here is not there, so it's flat. The beauty of this dash cam is that you don't have to worry about turning it on. It turns on by itself. It records by itself. If there's an impact when you're not in the car, it records that. Installation is quick, approximately 10 minutes. This just slides off and you unplug there's a wire there, you unplug it, plug it into the harness that they provide, plug that into the harness back to where the original was plugged in, put this back on, bada bing, bada boom. It's an easy app that you can download the videos that you want to see. It even comes with an SD card already. So it's a plug and play. They give you a wire harness where you plug into where the source of electric is. And it's great, man. I'm not getting paid a penny, but if you guys got a car where this company can fit the dash cam, you won't regret it. You'll enjoy it for the length of your ownership of the car. All right, so there you have it, guys. Got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And thank you for watching the video. Take care.